Good day and welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll walk you through an application I am creating for a client. Of course, I have the permission of the client to show you some screens of the application. I created this application using Flutter, laravel for the backend, Riverport for state management, and Firebase for the authentication and email verification. The screens you are seeing are the onboarding screens, which you can swipe left and right. I created this application relying on the design provided by the client. And so you can get started and go to the authentication screens, the login, and then the sign up screen. I already have an account, and so I'll proceed to log in. If the details you provide are wrong, you will not be permitted to log in. And so if my password is wrong in this case, I'll be prompted to check it again. Likewise, if the email address is also wrong, I'll be prompted to have a look at it again. Okay, so this is the home screen per the design submitted by the client. It's a virtual learning platform, and so there are quite a number of courses the client intends to offer to the users of the app. At the moment, some of these data are coming from the back end, as from the Laravel, and some are also hard-coded. And so you can open any of the courses and see the sub-courses being offered under it. And then you can also open any of the sub-courses and read more about it. Okay, go back to the home page. I relied on Riverport to maintain the state, and so I want to demonstrate to you that I am maintaining the state of the app. And so at the moment, the slider is in the middle section, and so you can navigate away, and then you come back, and you go back, it will maintain the state. We are still in the middle section. Okay. And so these are the screens I am permitted to show. And so I thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I will encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos in future. Thank you.